Hi guys, how you doing? Okay, y'all, so this is what I'm going to be using to try to lift my hair color, make it a little bit brighter. I know it's obviously not going to get that bright, but I'm hoping at least like a light brown or something like that. I would say my hair is probably closer to that middle brown, but I still don't think it's going to get to the lightness that they're saying it's going to get. So I know it'll turn out a little bit orange, so I'm also going to go in with this shimmering lights to try to tone that down. I know it does come with toner as well, so I will see how that, you know, works out, if that's going to work or not. If not, I do have this. And then I'm also going to follow up, obviously, with the Olaplex, which I received from Amazon. So let me get started. So the box comes with 2 packets of bleach that you mix in with the developer bottle. And I'm just going to mix it together, shake it really well. And the reason why I like it being pre-boxed for me is because I normally don't do the concentrations equal like I'm supposed to, at least in the past. And now I'm just applying it to the ends, and I'm going to brush it through to make sure it's evenly distributed. So as you can see, it is really truly working. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take it out because, yeah, and I'm in a mess in my bathroom, as you can see in the background. Okay guys, so this is the end result of the hair color, and I feel like it turned out really good. I'm really happy that it turned out as good as it did. But yeah, let's see how it looks like that. I like that too. But yeah, I did clip my ends because obviously the ends were a little dry. Okay, I'm almost ready. The ends were a little dry, but yeah.
Hi.
You're doing the video?
Yeah. Hi guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys, how you doing? So, okay, let me talk. So anyway, this is the end result of the hair color. And what I did was I put it on and left it on the ends for about 5 to 7 minutes. And then I just kept working it up, you know, another 5 to 7 minutes, another 5 to 7 minutes, and then that's it. I rinsed it out. Yes, this color was intentional, but this is what it's looking like. And it was cute too. I did, this is actually the next day, and I did end up wrapping it overnight, and it was cute straight too, but I just wanted to add a little bit of curl to it. I know I'm gonna have to maintain my ends really good because I know that lighter color will dry your ends. And yeah, I will continue to use the Olaplex and try to do like a moisturizing treatment at least every 2 weeks, if not every week. But yeah, that's that. So say bye, Natalia.
Bye.
Bye. We will see you guys on the next video. Peace.